For many young persons in Ghana, the 2024 elections will be the first time they are tasting what it means to vote. Well, if this is your first time, this is what you will go through at the polling center. First off, you need to know the polling center you are voting and then get there on time. Once you get there, join the queue if there's any. Follow the process of verification, and then the EC official who verified your details will hand you over to a ballot issuer. And once you get to the ballot issuer, he hands you a presidential ballot. You head to the voting booth and cast your ballot. Mind you, cast your ballot sideways, not this way, right? After that, you go back to the ballot issuer who then hands you a parliamentary ballot paper. You head back to the voting booth and go through the same process of casting your ballot. Once you're done, fold your ballot paper in the appropriate manner and drop it in the ballot box. Let's do this together and ensure that we vote responsibly.